Hi students, let's learn our first topic of Unit 2, directed numbers. First of all, what's the meaning of directed number? Directed numbers are numbers with some symbol, positive or negative symbol, and we normally represent it on the number line. This is number line. So what's the significance of these symbols or signs in front of the number? For example, here is a positive 2, here is a negative 2. So if I start from 1, for example, I start from this 1. This is 1 here. And I want to calculate 1 plus 4. So the standards are that if we get a positive number, like in this case 1 added to 4, if we get a positive sign in front of a number, positive sign, okay, then from the starting number, in this case 1, we need to move rightwards on the number line, okay. Likewise, if we have a negative number, suppose this is negative 4, negative number means from the starting number, in this case 1, we should move towards the left. So from the starting number, if we have a positive number, we are adding a number, we're going to move to the right side. If we're subtracting a number, we're going to move to the left side. So that's the rule. Now, I want to calculate 1 plus 4. So starting from this 1, plus means right movement, 4 means 4 units. So I will count here 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll stop here. The answer is 5. So it means we started with 1, we added 4, and we stopped, we ended up at 5. So answer is 5. That means 1 plus 4 is equal to 5, right? Now, if I talk about 1, I mark it down here, 1. I want to calculate 1 minus 4. So now minus 4 means I should move leftwards from the starting point 1. From the 1, I will move 4 units left. Why left? Because of this symbol, minus symbol. I move 4 units left now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I stop here. This is negative 3. So positive 1 minus or negative 4 is negative 3. So that's about the directed numbers because they have direction. The positive symbol tells us to move rightward and the negative symbol tells us to move leftward. That's why this is directed number. But in algebraically, in expressions, it's quite easy to simplify directed numbers by operations. We need to follow some sign conventions, sign rules you must have learned in your lower classes, but I will recapitulate now. So rules are like if two numbers are positive or if two numbers are negative, we're gonna add them. Likewise, if one number is positive, other is negative, or one is negative, other is positive, opposite symbols, we need to subtract them. That's the rule only. This rule has quite significance in solving questions of various types. For example, if I have plus 4, if I write 4, that means plus 4. I can write plus 4 or I can write simply 4. Doesn't matter. Simply 4 means plus 4 and then I take minus 2. Or I take minus 4 plus 2. Now I need to see the signs now. 4 is positive, 2 is negative, and plus minus by this rule must be minus. I will subtract them. 4 minus 2 is 2. Likewise, the second one, negative 4, positive 2. Second rule, minus plus is minus. I will subtract them. 4 minus 2. Now you need to understand that in the answer, here's 2, answer will have sign of the greater number. So 4 is greater number. 4 is greater number in both questions. but in the upper question 4 has positive sign, so answer will follow with a positive sign. You can write +2 or only 2. Likewise, in the second question, 4 being a bigger number, greater number with negative sign, answer will have negative sign. That's it. So means I make a note here. If we add and subtract directional numbers, positive, negative numbers, so answer will have sign of greater number. Sign of greater number. This applies only in addition or in subtraction. It's quite important note. It applies only in addition or in subtraction. Now I again repeat now. +4 minus 2 is 2. -4 plus 2 is 2. But here it is +2 because 4 is positive, being greater number, answer will have plus sign. Here in the second question, 4 being negative and a greater number, so answer will have negative sign, -2. In case of multiplication or division, we don't follow the bigger number. So don't follow greater number. Don't follow greater number. What does this mean? It means, example, if I have 20 times -2, or I have -20 times 2, or I have 20 divide -2, or I have -20 divided by 2. So I will just follow the rule. 20 times 2 is 40 only, right? 20 times 2 is 40. Ignore the sign first. 20 divided 2 is 10. 20 divided 2 is 10. So I just ignore the signs, negative, positive, just divide and multiply. 20 times 2 is 40. 20 divided 2 is 10. Now, as I mentioned here, don't follow greater number sign. That means 20 is positive, 2 is negative, plus minus is minus, answer will have minus sign. Second one, 20 is negative, 2 is positive, negative, positive is negative, answer will have negative sign. So likewise, 20 divide 2, 20 positive, plus minus is minus, put minus here. Likewise, minus 20 divided by positive 2, minus plus is minus, put minus here. So in all questions there is minus sign. So this greater number rule follows only in addition, subtraction, not in divisions or multiplication. Let's solve an example from the book questions over here. So here's a question with us. Simplify. Just simplify this expression. We need to apply bit mass, but before that we need to open bracket and keep it in mind the sign conventions. Plus plus and minus minus is plus. Plus minus minus plus is minus. So I try to open bracket, expand bracket, -7. When I open this bracket, plus minus is minus, plus minus is, plus minus is minus. So I put the minus sign here, it becomes -11. Likewise, minus plus is minus, I put -11 here. Now all numbers are negative. Minus minus is plus, I will plus them. It become 7 plus 11, 18. Bigger number is -11. I put negative sign here, then -11. Likewise, minus minus is plus. 18 plus 11 is 29. Bigger number is 18 with negative sign. I put negative here. Simple. So we can directly add all these numbers like this. 11, 11, 22 plus 7 is 29. We are adding them because all are negative, because minus minus is plus and sign with minus. So minus minus is plus, just add them. So you can go this way, you can move it directly. It's all up to you, answer is same. Now we applied rule here, negative is positive, but we stick with the greatest number. So sign of greater numbers comes with the answer. Like here, minus 11 was greater, it is minus 18. Here minus 18 is greater, it is minus 29. But we added them because minus minus is plus. Next question is of multiplication. Ignore the greatest number rule. Ignore it. We will not follow here. Let's simplify. So just multiply. 6 times 4 is 24. And minus 6 is negative, 4 is positive. Minus plus is minus. I put minus sign here. Times minus 2. 24 times 2 is 48. Both are negative. Minus minus is positive, so answer will be positive 48. If you don't write positive, it's understood it is positive 48. So answer is plus 48 here and 29 here. That's about the direction number, students. I give you notes already, and practice well from your book. It's ended. Thank you.